Hey guys, so recently I bought a vacuum sealer and it usually costs more than 1,000, but this one I bought it for just 900 something. So what we're going to do today is to test it out and then hopefully we'll be able to find out if we can also store or seal other things using this sealer. So I'm gonna test it out today. Oops, so sorry. Oh wow. So apparently it comes with a free plastics, but I did buy another set. That's good. Okay, so also comes with a manual. Okay, and it's in English. Okay, I'll see that later. And inside is nothing else is left inside the box. We're going to need an adapter for this. Okay, so what does it say? We're gonna read this first and then we'll come back to you later. Anyway, the first thing first is that you get your plastic bags. Okay. And so this is a pre-cut bag, so all you have to do is just fill it up with what you want to seal, and then we're going to start testing our sealer. Okay, so we'll test this out. Alright, so apparently when you turn it on, make sure that the green light is on. You have to clip it here and then make sure that the plastic doesn't cover the screws there. Okay, and then close it. Clip, and then all you have to do is press. Sealed. Nice. So let's do that again. So we can definitely say that this machine, this vacuum sealer, works perfectly fine, and I can't wait to try it out with liquids and with food. Right? So Thumbs up.